just news. According to the Associated Press, the government now admits that the effectiveness of flossing has never been researched. And that
flossing might not actually be necessary.
And there was no evidence it prevents gum disease or stops cavities.
This isn't a new topic. In 2016, people noticed that in the U.S. dietary guidelines that flossing was actually missing. And this caused a lot of conversation. So I wanted to see what the American Dental Association had to say. It's no surprise that they still recommend that you do floss. They recommend that people should engage in mechanical interdental cleaning once a day, or in normal words, cleaning between your teeth once a day. Then go on to say that you're not limited to using a floss. You can use a toothpick, water flosser, those weird floss things. Wait, not that. That's a shaver. So what? The government says we don't need to. The dentists say we do. I decided to give a call to the National Institution of Health. And I stayed on the line for a pretty long time until I was reached to a woman. And the woman was no help.
Well, I can certainly forward you on to our...
So I visited their website to see if they had any articles on this. It turns out that they do. They said that most flossing studies to date have only been examined for a relatively short term. But the main point they made was that it may be lacking beneficial evidence, but there's little harmful evidence. And I think I agree with that. At this point, I don't think it's something that we should take out of our routine just because they left it out of a government pamphlet. There's no harmful effects of doing it, so why not just keep it in your normal routine? And the next time you're at the dentist, when he tells you to floss your teeth more, just do it.